Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change details about yourself in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store. Next thing you want to do is click on your profile on the top left hand corner and click on your name. You can see about yourself here. So if you want to write a few words about yourself, you can do so, or you can see some of the perfect emojis like speak freely, encrypted, be kind, coffee lover, free to chat, taking a break, and working on something new. So you can write something about this as well. So after you do so, go ahead and click on save, and you can notice that something about yourself will come up on your profile. So people can also read this and they can know what you're working on. So let's suppose if you are busy, you can just go ahead and click on taking a break, click on save, and you can see that people will notice that you are on a break and they might not disturb you. So this is how you can change about yourself details in Signal Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.